Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick tour of my greenhouse. These are my echinacea. These are ones I grew last year. They're coming through. I've got my lupins here. They're looking well. That started from bare roots. These are echinacea that also started from bare roots. 3 there. Got my freesias there. Sweet peas. In this corner, poppies, poached eggplant, echium, Celine and Ank. This is my delphiniums that I started from seed last year, looking really well. These are the ones I took cuttings off, the pelargoniums, all numbered so I know which ones is which. Recovering nicely now. And then we have here my little eater that just keeps the air circulating at night time. Some dahlias there. In here, I have several types of seed. I didn't microwave this compost, and as you can see, it's actually got a fungus growing on the top, which bacteria I'm not very happy about. So that'll teach me to do things properly. This one, because it gets more light, there's not a drop of fungus in this one. The difference. Begonias there, cuttings from seed. Those are the like asters, lobelia and California poppies. I then have my petunia cuttings. I've got a begonia tuber that I started from last year's. Here I have my dahlias and my Galahad and some begonia tubers just there. That's it basically. These lights have been a godsend. I wouldn't be able to grow half as much as I can grow now. So remember, happy sowing, happy growing. And if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd be grateful if you would subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, folks. Thank you. Bye.